Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this lovely Toyota Auris Excel HSD. This vehicle is currently done 16,850 miles and it's finished in the colour grey metallic. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here, starting at the front. You have your headlights along with your fog lamps, which are great for when the visibility is poor. Now around to the side. You have very nice chrome detailing throughout the vehicle, it really complements it. Here at the side you have your 17-inch alloy wheels, you have your hybrid badge in there on the side, and you do have your indicator integrated into the door mirror. You also have rear privacy glass to give you nice privacy to the rear, and it adds to the styling of the vehicle as well. Here at the rear you've got gorgeous part leather seats with a nice textured cloth in the centre. There are ice fix points so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. There's also an armrest with two cup holders in, allowing rear passengers to travel comfortably and have somewhere to store drinks. Now to the rear, you do have your Toyota Auris hybrid badging on the tailgate, and opening up the boot. You have a very nice amount of boot space there. You do have tethering points so you can tie any loads down if you need to, if you don't want anything moving around freely in the boot. You can easily fit a weekly shop in there nicely. It's a very practical vehicle. Up top you'll find a handle allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Now let's take a look inside to the front of the vehicle here. You do have your leather multifunction steering wheel there. You have very nice silver finish contrasting to the black on the dashboard. You have your front seats here, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You do also have an armrest there in the centre console allowing the driver to travel comfortably. You can store things away very easily as well. Now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this vehicle has to offer. Starting on the driver's door, you do have your button there for locking the windows. This is good if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. Here on the dashboard, you have your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. Folding is very handy when parking, for example, such as on a narrow road, as you can fold them in to keep them protected and prevent them from being knocked off by other road users. You have some buttons here as well. You can turn on or off your front and rear parking sensors. And you do have your button there to turn on or off the vehicle. You do have automatic wipers as well as headlights, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focus on the road and not lose concentration. Here on the steering wheel you have some controls here. You have your voice command along with your Bluetooth phone switches for answering and ending phone calls. You also have some controls here for the digital display in between the dials. You can display different information, such as your miles left in the tank. Behind here you do have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, allowing you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less straining your foot. It's very handy for those motorway journeys. It just makes driving much more easier, convenient. You have some controls here to make adjustments to your infotainment system. You can skip through tracks or change stations, and you have your volume as well. Here in the centre you have your touchscreen infotainment system. You can access DAB, FM and AM radio. It's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations. You have a list available to you, and with DAB you have a nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you do love listening to the radio you can enjoy it nice and clear. You do also have the option to connect your own source of audio with USB and Bluetooth. And of course with your Bluetooth you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls. You can here access your Toyota online as well, where you can find apps that work with the vehicle, including Google Street View. And you have your glass of water application here, which will judge you on how smooth your driving is. It'll tell you how much water you'd likely spill depending on how you're driving. You have some vehicle settings here you can access as well, such as your energy monitor that will tell you the power you have in your battery for the hybrid system, along with trip information and your past records as well. You do have navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. Mechanics is very easy and straightforward to follow. You do have front and rear parking sensors as well as a reverse camera to give you added confidence when parking. Makes you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle, of things you may not be able to see. It just makes parking much easier by giving you more judgment on how close you are to things. You do have your dual zone climate control here, that allows the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices, prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold, allowing everyone to travel comfortably in the vehicle. Also very handily displays the information on the infotainment screen, so you can see what you're making adjustments to. You have the option for soft or fast blowing with the air conditioning and your fan speed. Each button is clearly labelled, making it very straightforward to make adjustments. Now here in the centre, you do have your button for your EV mode. This puts the vehicle into full electric, and this will do if it's able to. And now below here as well, you do have your switches for the heated seats. You have two different temperature options. You can quickly become nice and warm and forget about the bitterness outside. Thanks for watching this video on the Toyota Auris Excel HSD. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.